Welcome back to the channel. In this Photoshop tutorial, you will learn how to design realistic bottle makeup, showcase branding or packaging projects. Open your blank bottle PNG or 3D render file. Place it on the neutral gradient background and add a soft shadows underneath of realism. Create a rectangle shape for simulate the label area and then convert that shape into a smart object for easy editing. Double click it and design your label layout inside, add logo, text or color. Save and close the smart object to update the bottle. Use wrap transform to match the label or bottle curves. Add a light multiply blending mode to blend edges. Create reflections by duplicating and flipping the bottle vertically. Add blur to the reflections